I have some tile left, so I just want to do the wall art on the corridor. Okay, I'm just going to make one square here and another square here. Okay, I'm going to make this. Okay, and this is almost another one is like here. Okay, and I have some that I have some left over here, and I'm going to put outer border with this because I need a dark border. Okay, this is I just want to do with the leftover tile. We have some leftover tile backsplash, and we just want to give a border with this. Now we just finish one diamond. Okay, I'm going to do one more here. Okay, and this looks really nice. I'm going to do two here and two on other one. It's a four of them on the corridor. Okay, I'm gonna stick it with mortar and little bit grout. I mix it. Okay, and I adding little bit only, not too much. Okay, and I stick it with the mortar because this is, I don't want to use the glue or any self-adhesive because very hard to take it out. Wall will be destroyed if in any time in the future we want to remove it. Glue is very hard.